Hello, and welcome to Peace Corps' Tips and Tricks for English Teachers. Today's tip is on creating an effective space at home for online learning. At the beginning of the COVID pandemic, teachers suddenly found themselves sharing their homes and every aspect of their lives virtually with their students. That was a shock. It quickly became clear that online teaching required a whole new approach to the classroom. Arpane, how have you set up your classroom at home to facilitate effective online teaching?
At first, I was scrambling to clean up my kitchen or my living room and putting the computer wherever I could find a space. Then I chose a small and quiet area where I could leave the computer or set it up quickly and have a dedicated Zoom classroom. It's just a corner really, and I have a blank wall and a small desk with 2 lamps to provide a good light on my face. And I have also a good chair and a pillow. They help me to sit up straight, and I have a side table so I can have some water and all my resources right at my hand. Recently, a friend showed me some wonderful free Zoom backgrounds for teachers, and they simulate classroom setting, and I can change them depending on the topic of the lesson. My students really enjoy them, and they give me another link of privacy. So my students aren't distracted by anything in my background. Now I can teach without worrying about sharing my life on the screen.
So how about you, Raphael? How did you and your family adjust so you could take online classes?
My house is busy too. I really like learning and I wanted to be part of the class. But I didn't want everyone to be thinking about my family. I like to make videos, so I made a set which I can use in every class. I sit against a blank wall, prop my phone up on stack of books so the camera is at eye level, and then use a neutral Zoom background or a cool one if my teacher allows it. My family members are at home too, so I use earbuds and keep my mic off until I am asked to speak.
So now that Zoom teaching is here to stay, there are lots of good ideas and free resources online to help you set up a private, comfortable, and professional virtual classroom, whether you're teaching the class or attending it. How have you created a great space in your home for your online class? Drop us a line at tipsandtricks.am@peacecorps.gov.